Okay, students, now we are going to see the problems which are related to statistics. In statistics, first we are going to be solving the problems which are related to what? Finding the mean by direct method. Okay, so now we are going to see some important questions which are related to finding the mean by direct method. This is an important question and applied question also. So it will carry around 4 marks. Okay, remember students, it will carry 4 marks. So first I am going to read the question. Okay, so the question is that find the missing frequencies in the following frequency distribution. Here they have given following distribution column or table. In that distribution table, some frequencies are going to be missing. Okay, are you observing there are question marks are there? If it is known that the mean of the distribution is 1.46, they have given the mean. Remember what is meant by mean? It is going to be x bar. They have given x bar is equal to how much? 1.46. Okay, and the frequencies, this is going to be the distribution, frequency distribution column regarding accidents in a city. Okay, so number of accidents, the value of number of accidents is going to be 0, then frequency is going to be 46. If it is 1, then the frequency is missing. If it is accidents are 2, then the frequency is also missing. Then if the accidents are 3, then the frequency distribution is going to be 25. If the accidents are 4, then the frequency distribution is going to be 10. If the accidents are 5, then the frequency distribution is going to be 5. So remember here student, total they have given, total. Total means total of frequencies here. Total of frequencies means that it is going to be sigma Fi, or we can write it as n. Okay, so they have also given n. N or sigma Fi is equal to how much students? 200. Okay, so first we are going to, for this question, first we are going to add a distribution table, frequency distribution table. First we are going to be adding that one. Okay, now I am going to be adding a frequency distribution column. How many frequencies are there students? Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 frequencies are there. We have to make 3 columns. Okay. So now we are taking another rows. We are now making rows. So this is first row. Apart from this, how many rows are there? 6. One, two, three. Four. 5, 6. Okay. So now we are going to naming the table. Okay. So what are there? They are given xi. We are going to take xi. This is Fi. Okay. This is going to be Fi into xi. For finding mean, we need Fi xi also, and also we need a Fi also, sigma Fi. So first we are going to write the column of xi. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So frequencies, now we are going to write frequencies. First one is going to be 46. Okay. So now we are going to write missing frequencies. Okay. First we are going to write here. Let the missing frequencies let the missing frequencies be F1 and F2. We are going to take them F1 and F2. Okay. So then first frequency is going to be F1. Second frequency is going to be F2 because they are missing. Then 25, 10, 5. 25, 10, 5 is there. Then total number of frequencies they have given. So now what we have to find? We have to find sigma Fi. Okay, sigma Fi. Sigma Fi is equal to, you can find. So totally you can add 46 plus 25, 71. 71 plus 10, 81. 81 plus 5, 86. Okay, plus F1 plus F2. We are going to take them as separate, F1 plus F2. Okay, now we are going to find Fi Xi. 0 into 46, it is going to be 0. Okay, Fi into 1, Fi. 1 Fi. Okay, 2 into F2, 2 F2. Then 25 into 3, it is going to be 75. 4 into 10, 40. So then 5 into 5, it is going to be 25. So now we are going to writing. So total sigma Fi Xi. Sigma Fi Xi is going to be, how much students? You can add all these together. Numbers first, you can add all these numbers. 75 plus 25, 100, 140. Okay, 140. We are having 140. We have to write 140. Plus, what is present? Fi. Plus 2 F2. Sorry, F1 plus 2 F1. F1. This is F1 plus 2 F1. F2. It is 2 F2. Okay. So these are the values which are for sigma. Sigma Fi Xi and sigma Fi. Okay. Now I am going to explain. Okay, students, after my completion of explanation only you can take down the answer. Okay, till then you can only observe how we are going to solve this one. So now what are given in the question we are going to write. N is given. N is totally how much they have given? 200. Okay, we have got sigma Fi, just we have found it. Sigma Fi is going to be 86 plus F1 plus F2. Okay, then also they have given mean. Mean is given. Mean is how much, student? 1.46. It is going to be 1.46, remember. Okay, then what they have given? They have given sigma Fi, just we have found sigma Fi Xi. Okay, sigma Fi Xi is going to be 140 plus F1 plus 2 F2. Okay, students. So these are all points we have just found and in the given. Now we are going to go for the formula. We know the formula to find mean by direct method is x bar is equal to sigma Fi Xi divided by n. Okay, sigma Fi Xi divided by n. Okay, so what is the mean? It is going to be given 1.46. Okay, sigma Fi is going to be 140 plus F1 plus 2 F2. Okay, 2 F2 divided by n is how much, students? N is how much? It is going to be 200. Isn't it? They have given in the question only. Now we are going to multiply 200 into cross multiply. 200 into 1.46 is equal to 140 plus F1 plus 2 F2. Okay. So next, when we multiply 200 into 146, how much we are going to get? We are going to get 292. 292. Okay, is equal to, you can bring minus 140 to this side, it is minus 140 is equal to f1 plus 2f2. Okay students, now we are going to go for the next page. Remember, we are going to go for the next page. 292 minus 140, it is going to be how much? 152 is equal to f1 plus 2f2. Okay, so next you can remember 152 is equal to f1 plus 2f2. Now I am going to continue here. 152 is equal to f1 plus 2f2. Okay. So now we are going to have another equation. So n is equal to how much they have given? N is equal to sigma fi we know. So n is equal to 200 is there. Okay. Sigma fi is equal to 86 plus f1 plus f2 is there. Okay. We can observe only as fi, sigma fi. So n is given total 200. Sigma fi is given that we have found the by using the table 86 plus f1 plus f2. So now we can bring this f1 plus 86 to this side. It is going to be minus 86. So f1 plus f2. Okay. First we have to do this one. Then we are going to this value we are going to put. Okay, in the table. So when we subtract 86 from 200, it is going to be how much students? 114. 114 is equal to f1 plus f2. So we are going to be considering as this as equation and this as equation 2. Okay, now solving equation 1 and 2 we get solving equation 1 and or 2 and 1, you can take any one, we get. Okay, I am going to continue here. So okay, I am going to continue here. Okay, so what is equation 1 student? What is equation 1? f1 plus 2f2 is equal to 152. Okay, what is equation 2? f1 plus f2 is equal to 114. So now we are going to subtract, change the signs, minus minus minus, plus f1 minus f1 gets cancelled. When we subtract f2 from 2f2, we are going to get only f2. f2 is equal to, when we subtract 114 from 52, how much we are going to get? We are going to get 8 carry 1, 38. f2 is equal to how much it is going to be? 38. We have got the value of f2 here. So putting the value of f2 in either equation 1 or 2, equation 1 we get. Okay, so what is equation 1? f1 plus f2 is equal to 152. Okay, so we don't know f1, keep f1 as it is, plus f2 is just we have found it 38 is equal to 152. So okay, 2f2 is there. Okay, it is going to be, I'm going to write equation 1 once again. Equation 1 is f1 plus 2f2 is equal to 152. Okay, keep f1 as it is, plus 2 into f2 just we have got 38 is equal to 152. So f1 is equal to f1 plus 38 into 2, 76 is equal to 152. Okay, so f1 is equal to, bring this 76 to this side, it is going to be 152 minus 76. So f1 is equal to 76. Okay, we have got both the missing frequencies. This is the second one and this is the first one. f1 is equal to 76 and f2 is equal to 38. So like this we are going to solve the problem, students. So this is very important problem. Please note down it.